Going through some of my old hockey gear, my old skate gear. Found some cool stuff. Old shin guard, old shirt. I can't hardly contain myself. I gotta let my face stop being red. Hold on, here we go. Where's Brando at? Brando! Hey, where you going? No, you're good.
Yeah, dude, don't scare me like that.
No, I called you. You know how I was going through my old, I got skate gear, and you were talking about my Pro-Tech pads? Dude, have you seen a set of pads like these? And I think I found my old St. Ives t-shirt.
No way.
Yeah, here. Take it. Look at the crack in the knee.
What's this all about?
No, just two.
No! No! They're underwear! I know they are!
It's not underwear. It's not underwear. Don't worry, it's only been in there 15 years.
It was your dad's jock strap!
It had a cup in it too, still. Oh, you gotta wear a cup when you're playing hockey. Oh my Lord, I'm dying. What?
Get it out of here!
What, dude? It's not that old. Hey, go back. Go give it to Brandon. Go give it to Brandon. Ready? Ready? You want it? Go get it. Go. Oh, baby won't even touch it. He plays with everything. Oh my God, I'm dying.